Hey everyone, just want to show you the new Ram Multifunction Tailgate. This is on a 2020 Ram Rebel. It's about $1,000 upgrade here, but I think it's kind of worth it actually. So again, standard tailgate drop down, dampening, nice dampening feature. Lift it back up, but if you really want easier access to the bed where you don't have to lean over the tailgate, pull down and you have access right there. So you can load up a box right here without having to strain your back, arms, shoulders. If you need to open the other side, just do it like that. There you go. The Honda Ridgline has a similar feature, but it opens the whole tailgate. So you need a lot more clearance on one side. But say if you're towing a trailer or anything, you've only got to open that side. So you have a little more clearance there to work with. Again, this is the Multifunction Tailgate, and it's from Ram Trucks.